Jersey City auto shops? They're about to get a glow-up like never before. Imagine AI cracking the code to your car's heartbeat before you even know it's sick. Welcome to the future, right here, right now. America's Best Shops marketing agency is flipping the script with AI marketing. Picture this: personalized ads that don't just sell, they listen. AI spots trends, predicts customer needs. No more guesswork, more sales, more happy customers. But wait, there's a twist. The tech isn't just smart, it's emotional. It reads vibes from social media, turning feelings into unbeatable campaigns. Why does this matter? Because in Jersey City's fierce auto scene, standing out is winning. Traditional marketing, old news. AI marketing, the secret sauce driving engines and profits to full throttle. Plus, imagine your favorite local garage connected to AI-powered tools, transforming every click into a loyal customer. It's marketing, but smarter, faster, and tuned to Jersey City's heart. Are you ready to see your auto business shift into first gear with AI? Or will you let the future zoom past you? What's your take? Are you in or out? Drop your thoughts below.